ooh, you definitely get the heat. What up, welcome back to the channel, guys. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. And from you see me with a snack, you know it's time for a taste review. So what we're doing today, we're going to be reviewing some Bigfoot. So this is the original Bigfoot. So Bigfoot is actually made in Trinidad and Tobago, but it's distributed here in Jamaica by the Jamaica Biscuit Company, of course, and it's a snack by Holiday. So we're going to be trying the original and the spicy. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright guys, so I got a little cleansing here, which is some water. So I'm gonna get ahead and get a sip. Okay, so we're gonna be trying the original first, of course. So I want to get the flavors and everything. Alright, so with cheese, cheese tricks is what Jamaicans normally say when you're talking about like a cheese puff, any cheese sticks, stuff like that that's kind of puffy. We just call it cheese tricks, and I'll just drop it a little how it's spelled here. So I'm going to tell you some of the stuff that's in this here snack, and it's basically going to be similar to the spicy one as well. So I'm just going to drop some information. So cornmeal, vegetable oil, cheese powder, of course, salt, milk, maltodextrin, that's some preservative stuff, onion powder, monosodium, garlic powder, some flavoring, coloring, paprika powder, citric acid, bunch of stuff, guys. So if you want to go ahead and check that out, this also is made in a factory where nuts and stuff like that are produced, so you want to be careful, not too much. And of course this is one serving. It's not much anyways, it's like 25 grams, guys. That's not bad. Alright, so yeah, Bigfoot did upgrade, so yeah, if I don't say it's on Bigfoot, I started open. Yeah, so we're gonna do that. I'm gonna show you inside. It's really orange. And it smells delicious. So one thing with Bigfoot, it's definitely one of those more seasoned snacks. So it's more for like a Jamaican palate. I'm not gonna tell you that international snacks aren't hot, but trust me, when we do snacks, we always have to add a Jamaican flair on it. So some type of seasoning on it. And from the smell, you definitely smell that onion powder and garlic powder that they put on there. So let's go ahead and get this in the mouth. So let me show you. That's the Bigfoot. So basically it's just like a foot. I'm not sure what kind of foot it's supposed to be. If it's a tiger or what. The 3 toes and stuff. So let's go ahead and taste it. Got some chickens. Alright, so I'm gonna get another one. You definitely taste the onion powder and the garlic powder. If you work with those things before, like cooking with them, you know like the flavor that they bring off. And definitely something else is in there, but I can't really pinpoint it. And it's more of a saltier snack too. It's savory, of course, but it's on the saltier side, so you could definitely need some type of beverage with this thing here. And the original, it's more plain on the palate, but as I said, it's really seasoned, so it's not like a boring snack. It's something that you can really enjoy. So trust me, go ahead and try it out. And for those persons who are not in Jamaica, there are lots of I would say, what do they call themselves? I'll put it here when I remember. Those places, they send stuff to Americans, so basically like Jamaican snacks in a box. I don't remember what they are called, but we're going to be trying the spicy one. So the spicy one definitely says picante, which means spicy in Spanish, so that's great. Definitely still made in here in Tobago and stuff. So I don't know what I think it's cayenne pepper, but let me just check. It don't say. It don't say, guys. So maybe it's some chemical spice, but I don't know. So let's go ahead and try that. So we're gonna do the same opening thing. So we're gonna do that. Alright, so inside this one is more red. As you can tell from the original, there is a difference. Yeah. So the spicy one, you can definitely see that spice on there. I'm gonna grab a foot. Okay guys, bear with me if this thing slides off. But look at it guys, it's definitely more red. Let that focus. Definitely more red. Yeah, this seems like it has a bit more seasons as well. More seasons than of the original. So let's get it in. Definitely crunchy guys. Definitely crunchy. Ooh, you definitely get the heat. Wow. Definitely get the heat guys. We gotta sip. Alright guys, so I'm gonna rate both Bigfoots today for you. So I'm gonna say for the original because hey, it's original. It does have spiciness to it. It has seasons on it, so you definitely know that you're having a Bigfoot. Yeah. So yeah, definitely taste the seasons on it, the onion powder, the garlic powder, and whatever else they put in it, because there's something else in it. Maybe black pepper. Probably black pepper. Yeah, you kind of have that flavor profile. Yes, so I'd rate that a 4.5 out of 5 because it's original. You know, I don't know if you can get a 5 out of 5 being the original. You know, when a snack company can create another flavor that is also awesome, that is like top tier stuff, right? So we're gonna move on to the spicy one. How much I rate it? I think I'd put this 5 out of 5 for snack rating. It is spicy. You get that heat. I'm not too sure if they use cayenne pepper in there. It doesn't say on the package, but it definitely packs a little punch, and it's good for the Jamaican palate. And if you're a person who likes spicy stuff, especially snacks, it's not, I don't think it's a heat level like Takis, but it's definitely Gucci. So let me just tell you guys, definitely go ahead and find one of those care packages if you are not in Jamaica. But if you're in Jamaica and you love Bigfoot or you've never had Bigfoot, go ahead and try it. And if you love it, definitely go ahead and pick one up after watching this video guys. Thank you so much for tuning into another taste review, and I hope to see you back on the channel guys. Lots more to come, and bye bye.